That's the rule on freshly sealed wood floors. No shoes at all unless you cover them with clean booties. That means everyone and everything has to tread lightly, including Mike the electrician, who's also got a house full of work to do here. Now, Mike, I wonder how many Braun new tone exhaust fans you've installed over the years.
Oh, probably several hundred.
Yeah, they've been around a long, long time, and they got them now where they're so darn quiet that some of them even have to have, I understand what, like lights on the switch for you to even know that they're even turned on.
That's right. That way you won't be leaving it on, be sucking all the air conditioning out of your house.
Yeah, exactly. Now, I guess the sizing of these things is real important because, of course, this is a very small bathroom right in here, but a lot of people just undersize those things, don't they?
Yeah, they do, Danny. You know, you want to make sure that you get the proper size unit so that it'll pull the steam and the moisture out of your bathroom. Otherwise, you get some cracking in your molding and you get mold.
And I never understood people venting these things in the darn attic. I mean, I know people don't want to have another hole in their roof, but why would you want to put everything right up in your attic? You know?
Yeah, that's a question you'll have to ask somebody else, because I don't know.